Hey there, my name is Samantha Haren and this is my graphic design portfolio. If you're viewing this video from a Behance page, you're in the right place. If you somehow found this on my YouTube channel, then you can click the first link in the description to be brought to the project I'm going to speak on in this video, or the second link will take you to my website, which serves as a hub for all the projects in my portfolio. Enjoy! So for the first project that I started with, we are going to look at Step Above Properties Style Guide. Step Above Properties is a made-up real estate firm that I invented just for the purposes of displaying my graphic design skills. So as you can see on the first page, if you scroll down below this video, I've got the first page there. We've got the primary logo, we've got our secondary logo. The primary logo has just two colors, black and red. Typically with real estate firms, we stay very minimalistic with the text, with the colors, because this logo is going to be on top of perhaps many different styles of homes, and we really want the home to speak for itself. So I went for a very minimalistic design here. We've got a little bit of an image of, because it's Step Above Properties, this is just a little bit of a stair step design, but again, very flexible in the use of that element because it's such a simple shape. It's basically just three squares, slightly elongated, stacked together. As we continue down, we've got the Step Above Properties logo in different colors. So there's the basic one that's black and red on a white background. That's the one you're going to see the most. If we've got a dark background, there it is in white. And then just for some added diversity, we've got a red version. Then if we have a very small space, perhaps on a business card, or like if we're fitting it somewhere in a small corner, here's some three more designs of the Step Above Properties logo that's just been further simplified for those extra small spaces. Then on page 2 of the style guide, we've got all the colors. Really the only chromatic color is red, and then we've got black, and then three shades of gray. And of course I've got all the hex codes, RGB, CYMK codes there. Then we're looking at fonts. These two are very similar fonts, but the first one here has a wider range from extra light, regular, medium to bold, and so we've got a little bit more to play around with there. Rachana just looks much nicer as because it's a bit denser. I chose to use that for more of like the body text, whereas this first font here would be more for like headlines and titles. And then I have a couple design elements that can be part of Step Above Properties look. They can be consistent throughout, just have these little swooshy lines just to add to the brand. And then I chose to throw in just an extra element here of kind of what a quote would look like, using the fonts from above. And that's about it for the style guide. So let's move on to another project. You've got options down at the bottom of the Behance page. Whatever project you'd like to look at next, it is up to you. If you're going in order, the next project would be the business card. But again, whichever one strikes your fancy, go for it.